Vodstvo republikancev je včeraj sporočilo, da so pogajalci predstavniškega doma in zveznega senata dosegli dogovor o uskladitvi obeh osnutkov davčne reforme. Ameriški predsednik Donald Trump iz tega razloga pričakuje, da bo zakon lahko podpisal prihodnji teden oziroma še pred božičnimi prazniki. Zakon je dober in prinaša davčno razbremenitev vsem Američanom, obljublja Trump.
Congress has reached an agreement on tax legislation that will deliver more jobs, higher wages, and massive tax relief for American families and for American companies. The typical family of four earning $75,000 will see an income tax cut of more than $2,000, slashing their tax bill in half.
A uresničitev ene največjih predvolilnih obljub Donalda Trumpa se je znašla na preizkušnji. Zapletlo se je v zvezni državi Alabama, kjer so volivci v zvezni senat poslali demokrata Douga Jonesa. Republikanci so prvič v 25 letih tako izgubili senatorja iz Alabame, s tem pa so ostali tudi brez enega glasu v zveznem senatu. To pomeni, da bodo republikanci od zaprisege novega senatorja imeli le še en glas večine. Republikancem se zato mudi s proceduro sprejemanja davčne reforme, saj bi jih odlašanje lahko veliko stalo. Trump pojasnjuje, da hitenje ni posledica strahu pred porazom, pač pa je davčna reforma izjemnega pomena za državo.
This bill is vital to the American people for many reasons. First of all, it's going to have a tax cut the likes of which we haven't seen for not only business but for the working families of our country. It's really a tax cut based on jobs and also very good for companies, which also means jobs.
Toda demokrati po zmagi v Alabami republikance že pozivajo, naj ustavijo proces sprejemanja davčne reforme in z njim nadaljujejo šele decembra ali januarja, torej po zaprisegi Douga Jonesa. Ob tem želijo republikance spomniti na leto 2010, ko so republikanci podobno zahtevali od demokratov.
So today we Senate Democrats are calling on Leader McConnell to hit pause on his tax bill and not hold a final vote on it until Doug Jones is sworn in into the Senate. Now that's exactly what Republicans argued when Scott Brown was elected in 2010. Referring to health care, Leader McConnell said, here's what he said, it would be gamesmanship, he said, to pursue big-ticket legislation before Scott Brown was seated.
Trump bo njihovo prošnjo najverjetneje gladko zavrnil, tako kot zavrača vse očitke, da bo davčna reforma koristila predvsem bogatim. Reformo bodo občutile tudi družine in tisti z najnižjimi dohodki, obljublja ameriški predsednik.
Our plan expands the child tax credit for working families. You'll hear the numbers very soon, but they're even larger than anticipated. It nearly doubles the amount of income taxed at the rate of zero. I don't know if any of you are paying zero. I hope you're not. I hope you're paying above that. But a lot of people who are having it a little bit tough are going to be paying zero.
Trump ob tem še dodaja, da bi lahko ljudje in podjetja že februarja videli višje plače in nižje davke, a to zgolj ob predpostavki, da bi novo zakonodajo podpisal pred Božičem.